Model, 51-plate Citroen Relay camper conversion. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 124,327. Engine, 2,446 cc 2.5D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: we were assured the engine, clutch and gearbox are good, just needs injectors replacing. The injectors have been removed. Just need new ones. It should be good to go. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 3 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.